Changing your subscription on Flyte is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition to your desired plan. Step 1. Log in. Access your Flyte account by entering your username and password on the Flyte website or app. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open your account management options. Step 3. Select subscription options. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose your new plan. Review the different subscription plans offered. Select the one that best fits your needs by clicking on the corresponding option. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new plan, follow the prompts to confirm your changes. You may need to enter payment information or agree to new terms before finalizing the update. Once you've completed these steps, your subscription will be updated accordingly. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Flyte's customer support for assistance.